Hi and welcome to Math Plus Anything Journey. Today we're going to simplify radicals. Here we have expressed in simplest radical form. So we have radical 192, or we could say square root of 192. So how we solve this? First we got to find what perfect square to divide into 192. So we could start by doing some side work. So we could say it's 192, so we could do perfect square. We could use 10 square. So 10 square is equal to 100. So we could start by saying 192 divided by 100, and that's going to be 1.92. We do not get an even, it's not even, so therefore let's try one more. What about 9? 9 squared is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. So we're going to have 192 divided by 81. And that's going to give us, if we use a calculator, it's going to give us 2.37 something. So it's 192 divided by 81. It's going to be, yes. So it's going to be 2.3704. Okay. So that did not go into 192 evenly. So what about 8? Let's try 8 square. 8 is 64. So we're going to divide 192 divided by 64. And we divide 192 by 64, we get 3. So this works. So 64 goes into 192 evenly. So now we could go ahead and we could write out our radical. So we have radical 192. Then we could factor for two numbers, right? Factor two numbers under the radical. So we know that those two factors are 64 and 3. So we have 64 multiplied by 3. We are not going to multiply these together because if we do, we're going to get back 192. So remember, when you have a radical a multiplied by b is the same as a radical times radical b. Okay, so now we have 64 multiplied by 3. Then we're going to rewrite this as radical 64 multiplied by radical 3. Now we could take the square roots. Square root of 64 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. If you multiply 8 by itself, you get 64. And there's no two number to multiply by itself that gives you 3. So we are left with radical 3. So our final answer for when we simplify radical 192 is 8 radical 3. So let's go down here. I'm going to draw a line here. So let's go down here to 36. Radical 36 is a perfect square. So we know that 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. And also if you have 36 and you divide it by 6, it's going to equal 6. So radical 36 is equal to 6 when we simplified. So here we have it. When we simplify radical 192, we do all the side work. Then we get 8 radical 3. And then when we simplify radical 36, we get 6. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos with a friend. Tell a friend of a friend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for your support.